Come test drive the 2013 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, front stabilizer bar, FWD, ambient lighting, braking assist, compact spare tire. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.